Well, today I'm going to show you a very easy hack on how you can improve the heat performance on a lantern cooker. This is a Dietz Jupiter 2500. This has been modified into a cooker. And I'm going to do a short demonstration to show you how this works. All you do is wrap aluminum foil on the exterior of your globe, and you have a little port here so you can monitor your wick. And shiny side on the inside, of course. And this is wrapped on the exterior of the globe. Then you want to ensure that you seal it quite well. Just kind of push it down in place. And voila, you're concentrating the energy, the vast majority of the energy, to go upward. So let's see how that works. I'm going to boil 1 cup of water and see how long that takes. Okay, this is 12 minutes, and I've got steam and bubbles. Let's keep it going. Okay, and here is a very simple heat test using my finger. I'm gonna lick my finger, and I'm going to approach and stop when I feel it getting warm. There we go. So I can feel it getting warm here. Now I'm going to go over here where the aluminum foil is and do the same thing. And I can feel it getting warm about right here. So just to give you an idea of how much heat is being forced up through the chimney. Okay, we're about 21 minutes in, and another heat test you can do is with your finger, and it's too hot to keep my finger on here without burning it at the very top. Very, very hot, very hot down here. So that is a very good absorption of the heat that is coming out of this 12 candle power wick. So again, most of the heat is being forced up through the chimney and onto the pot. Okay, here we go. It's been 32 minutes or thereabouts, and voila, we have boiling water. Okay, so that worked quite well. About 30 minutes for boiling water, and now you can also use it if you need a hot plate. There you go. Heat that up, and you've got a much hotter hot plate, or just for general cooking. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is the Cold War Sailor out.